Got a big storm rolling in. That's it. Super easy. Just rub them off. And that's it. Super easy. That's the main way they were processed by indigenous peoples of the Southwest thousands of years. You can also put them on some sandy ground, rub them around with a branch or something, rub them with leather, but really all you need is a grass brush. Rub them off. So if you burn them, you're going to set fire to the whole forest. And if you skin them, that's just way unnecessary work. And yeah, either way, the first time you eat prickly pear, a lot of people don't know this, but it can cause like chills and diarrhea and fever and vomiting. But once you have eaten them, you kind of become immune to that. But it's an interesting thing. A lot of the early Spanish expedition accounts talk about the members having that reaction. And the Tohono O'odham said that only one of the species that they gathered caused that. Anyway, very interesting phenomenon. So try some prickly pear. They're delicious.